Hey guys, so this is FX Daddy from TradeWave. So here is an advice for you if you're actually looking forward to trading during the holiday, during this period, ending of the year and the beginning of next year. Now there are major activities that take place, towards the end of the year that usually affect a lot of volatility in the market. It kills volatility in the market and also causes a lot of sudden spikes in volatility in the market. One of the things that happen is that during this period, this is a period where hedge fund guys, the big banks, the big institutions that actually trade in the market, start pulling out funds from the market to start, paying their investors. They are doing a lot of refinancing during this period. They are pulling a lot of funds. Towards the beginning of the year, there's a lot of funds going into the market, planning for the next year, hoping that, to stay on trades, throughout the following year. Okay, so a lot of activities are going on during this period that will cause a lot of unexpected spikes in the market. So my advice for you if you're going to be trading during the holiday is don't stay too long in the market. This is a very wrong time for swing trading. Okay, this is a very wrong time for swing trading. This is not the time to be targeting 100 pips, 150 pips in the market, 60, 70 pips. This is the time to just go in and out. Take 10 pips, 15 pips, 20 pips, scalp the market, go down to a lower time frame. If you only trade higher time frames, this is not the time for you. Okay, this is the time to scale down to like a lower time frame, go to a 15 minutes, go to 5 minutes, whatever time frame that you scalp on, like you do your best scalping on. Do your scalping on a lower time frame and make good money for yourself. Don't stay long in the market. I repeat, do not stay long in the market so that your money doesn't get missing and you don't get caught up in spikes that you never expected happening. A lot of news actually is also going to be coming out. There's a lot of not news anyway, not news events anyway, but these are like low key. I would call it low key news events that you just don't get to hear publicly, something like that, because a lot of countries out there, currency, a lot of monetary policies are going in during this period. They're making plans, especially the beginning of next year. Okay, that's why most times, if you notice, if you've been a like regular trader, you've been in this market for a while, you've noticed that beginning of the years is usually, sometimes it can really be crazy. There was this year that USD JPY moved. I think it was like 400 pips in like a few minutes. It was crazy. This was I think it was last 2 years, 3 years or 4 years, I can't remember. But however, if you check the charts, you actually certify what I'm actually saying. So this period is not a time to spend too much time in the market. Go in and hide, be a sniper this period. Snipe, do your 15 minutes thing, 10 minutes, take 10 pips, 15 pips, 20 pips out of the market. Get out of the market, get out of the way of these guys so they don't get caught up in spikes that you didn't see coming. Okay, so there's a lot of money to be made made during this period. For myself, I will definitely still be trading. Tomorrow is Tuesday. I will definitely still be trading. But however, like I said, same advice I'm giving you guys: don't stay long. Then don't stay too long in the market. Don't wait for swing trades to play out like long term. Okay, in and out, make your money. Cheers. So if you're here to subscribe to this channel, like seriously, man, subscribe to this channel. If it's the first time seeing this video, subscribe to this channel. I come on here every single week to do my analysis for the week. So I did an analysis here yesterday, which I'm hoping that a lot of money will be made with that analysis, from tomorrow and even throughout the week. So cheers. See you guys. Talk to you. Subscribe to this channel. Cheers. Talk to you some other time. Cheers.